Kershaw is going to direct the 3 regiments on the left of his line to turn north and advance toward that line of cannons up there that's causing so much destruction. So 2 of Kershaw's regiments continue toward the Rose Farm property here and toward the Stony Hill. The other 3 will turn and make their way toward the cannons that line the Wheatfield Road. The cannons will tear into those men. One South Carolinian remembered the sound of those little black balls passing between our legs, crashing into our bones, snapping them. And then occurred a tragic misunderstanding of orders. Kershaw would later write that many of the bravest men of South Carolina fell victims to a fatal blunder.
Tearing to. Tearing to. Tearing to.